Namaskar everyone, good morning, how are you all? Hope you all are happy, safe at your home. I am your Achal ma'am from New Era Global School. So first start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo yo nah prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo yo nah prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo yo nah prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo yo nah prachodayat. Now rub your hands, put them on your eyes. Open your eyes and now you feel fresh. Okay, so our today's session will start with phonic sound. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says A, F says G says G, H says H, I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says N says O says O, P says P, Q says Q, R says R, S says S, T says T, U says A, V says V, W says W, X says X, Y says Y, Z says Z, Z says Z. So our phonic sound is done. Now revision time. So today we revise 3-letter words having E sound. So shall we start our today's revision part? So come with me. So kids, which picture is this? Pain. So today we revise 3-letter words having E sound. And what is the phonic sound of E? A. What is the phonic sound of E? A. A. And which cluster is this? N cluster, right? Shall we start? P. A. P. A. Pen. Pen यानी पेन से हम क्या करते हैं? राइटिंग करते हैं, राइट? Then which picture is this? D. A. Den यानी lions live in a den यानी गुफा. Then which picture is this? Shraddha ma'am teach you number 10, right? D. A. 10 number words 10. Then hen यानी मुर्गी. Then men. किड्स मैंने आपको पहले भी समझाया था. मैन यानी आदमी एंड men यानी बहुत सारे आदमी, राइट? एंड मैन यानी वन मैन एंड men यानी बहुत सारे आदमी. Okay, so once again we revise. Which picture? Which word is this? Men. Then hen. pen. So our revision part is done. Now classwork time. So kids, our today's classwork is in English worksheet. Yeah, in few weeks later we learn letter Q R S T U V, right? So yesterday, let's quick recall. Yesterday we revised capital letter and small letter T in our worksheet. Yes, yesterday we revised how to write capital letter T and small letter T. So today we revise how to write small letter U and capital letter U in worksheet. So our today's classwork is in page number 50 and 52. So write down CW here because half page is in your classwork, and write down CW here. Capital letter U, half page is in your classwork. So now classwork time. Look at board everyone. So first, today's classwork is in English worksheet page number 50. Page number 50, right? Then write down CW, and are you all happy today? So make a smiley. Yes, we are happy today. We already learned how to write letter U. So today we revise how to write letter U. And which letter is this? Small letter U. And U says up. U says up. Trace and write the letter U. In first two lines, we trace the letter U. And then we write the letter U. So shall we start? Take out your pencil everyone. Sorry. Standing line and curve, and another standing line. U says up. Standing line, curve, another standing line. U says up. Standing line, curve, another standing line. U says up. Standing line, curve, another standing line. U says up. Between two blue lines we write the letter U. Between blue line to blue line, standing line, curve, then again standing line, right? U says up. Standing line, curve, standing line. U says up. Standing line, curve, standing line. U says up. Standing line, upward curve, and standing line. Which curve is this? Upward curve. So trace part is done. Now writing time. How we write letter U? Between two blue lines we make a standing line, then small upward curve, then another standing line like this. U says up. Standing line, upward curve, standing line. U says up. Standing line, upward curve, standing line. U says up, up, up. U says up for umbrella. Like this. Now again between two blue lines we make standing line, upward curve, then standing line. U says up. Standing line, upward curve, standing line. U says up. Standing line, upward curve, standing line. U says up. Standing line, upward curve, standing line. U says up. So first page classwork is done. Now take out page number 52 everyone. Turn your page. Trace and write the letter U. We write letter small letter U and we write capital letter U. So write down CW and make a smiley. Now trace, same as classwork, we trace letter U. So how we trace letter U? Capital letter U, small letter U we write between two blue lines, right? But capital letter U we write pink line to blue line. So make a pink line to blue line, standing line, then upward curve, then standing line. U says up. Standing line. Upward curve, standing line. U says up. U for umbrella. U says up. What is the phonic sound of U? Up, up. Umbrella. What is the phonic sound of U? Up. We start with pink line and we end it also pink line. U for unicorn. U for uncle. U for uttapam. Then U for under. U for up. Okay. So pink line to blue line, standing line, upward curve, standing line. U says up. So our trace part is done. Now writing time. How we write a capital letter U? I will tell you, we write small letter U between two blue lines, but we write capital letter U, pink line to blue line, standing line, upward curve, standing line. U says up. Rotate your hand like this. Watch my hand. Rotate your hand and touch with pink line. U says up. U for unicorn. U says up. What is the phonic sound of letter U? Up. Like this. Standing line, upward curve, standing line. U for unicorn. Standing line, upward curve, standing line. U for universe. Standing line, upward curve, standing line. U for up. Again. Pink line to blue line with a standing line, upward curve, then standing line. So our today's class is in English worksheet page number 50, half page, and page number 52, capital letter U, half page. So our today's class work is done. So our today's class work is done. Now homework time. So first write HW here. Parents, please guide your children and date. So how we trace the letter U? Same as class work. We trace the letter U. Then we write the letter U. Standing line, curve. Standing line. U says up. Standing line, curve. Standing line. U says up. U for umbrella. U says up. U for unicorn. U says up. Now turn your page everyone. Take out page number 52. Same as class work. Today's homework, write HW here. 2 lines is in your tracing part and 1 line is in your class work. Start with pink line, curve, standing line, upward curve, standing line. U says up. Standing line, upward curve, standing line. U says up. Standing line, upward curve, standing line. U says up. So today's class work and homework is done. First, once again revision. Today's class work is in English worksheet page number 50 and page number 52. So our class work and homework part is done. So kid, what did we learn today? Today we revise letter U. Okay. Today we revise small letter U and capital letter U. And today we revise 3 letter words having E sound. What is the phonic sound of E? A. Okay. So now today's class work and homework. Page number 50, 52 in worksheet. Half page homework. Page number 50, 52 in worksheet. Other half. Hope you like our today's class work and homework with revision part. Enjoy awesome day. Bye everyone.